there, this is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. I am coming on with my second Beebeecraft project share. Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where if you have a minimum of 100 subscribers, you can contact them and you can send them an email and see if you can participate in their YouTube program. They allow you to pick the items that you want and they ship them out to you for free. And you agree to do an unboxing video and 2 project share videos. So, like I said, this is my second project share. In my most recent order, I ordered 2 different sets of silicone molds for resin and then a toolkit. In this video, I'm going to show you the second set of molds and the toolkit. I'm going to say this one is... What am I going to say? This one was very difficult. These molds are tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. You see how small that is? It's cute. There's fishes and hearts. Fishes. Is fishes a word? There's fish and hearts. There's ice cream cones and crosses. There's puzzle pieces, what I think is an elephant, and then a musical note. There's a kitty face, a bunny head. I think that's a dog, a snowflake, and then these 2 I'm kind of unclear. Stars and moons, ovals and raindrops, diamonds and triangles, butterflies, and then like angel wings, circles and squares, and these are really, they're not very deep. They are, ouch, that was my elbow. I can't even get that in there. They're like maybe 1/8 of an inch deep. And then crowns and t-shirts. This particular kit also came with these 2 silicone pouring containers, which I like the silicone ones because of the way they work. Came with these finger gloves so you can keep the resin off of your hands. It came with a package of popsicle sticks, and I've used a bunch of them. I don't remember how many were in there. And then it came with these storing utensils. Oh, it also came with, no, not that. It also came with some pipettes, and I used them, so I don't have them anymore because I don't know how to get the resin out of them. So I didn't feel like they were reusable because you use them to suck up the resin and put it into tiny little spaces. So I used those and had to dispose of them. And then it came with these tweezers. So let me show you what I attempted to make, and then I'll do my project share. This was my attempt. So this is the snowflake. I put in way too much resin so you can see the back of the snowflake. I feel like I could possibly spend some time cleaning that up. It's really tiny though, and I don't know if I will. This is a circle, and I got way too much on the back, and then I had some bubbles on the top. This is the moon, and I had way too much resin again. This butterfly kind of worked. There's a little bit too much resin, and it wouldn't matter except that it did overflow on the edges. This was one of the elephants. I got way too much resin. This is what color I wanted that resin to be that I showed in a previous video. This pretty purple color, but I got way too much ink, and so it turned out this muddy, ugly color. This is the stars. This is kind of cool. This one I might use on something. It has glitter in it, and I like the way they're attached to each other. So that one I don't know if I consider that a fail because I like the way they look. And then I had a square and that's a triangle. I can fix that one. An angel wing that I did an overflow. The kitty face, I got too much. I don't know if you can see that. And this one you probably can't see. This is a star. And this one I only used glitter. And I put way too much resin in there. So I consider, except for this one, which is kind of fun. To me, I consider these all to be fails, which it's very hard for me. I don't like to fail at anything. I am a natural at all crafts. Most crafts, I should say. that I can just look at something and figure out how to make it. And this, I know how to make it. It's just not, you need to have enough, but not too much resin in these tiny little molds. So that was a little frustrating for me. I have these others that I don't consider a fail. This is a little moon, and then 2 little butterflies. And this is a square, and this is one of the ones from my first batch where I used that purple glitter, and it's only on one side. And then this has a tool set. Let me show you the tools. So it comes with this. Again, using something like this, how am I going to get the resin out? I'm not sure. So I didn't use this because I'm not sure what to do once I've used it, if I can use it again. It comes with this cool little drill set, which you probably can't see. I drilled a hole in this. And it's kind of hard. It's just by hand, and it's just twisting. And it's nice that this has several different sizes of drill bits. I already showed you the tweezers. And then it comes with these other tools. These are fun. This one is like a little spoon at the end. This one's a little stirring stick. I like the tops. This one is a pokey tool, so my beads from my previous video that I needed to fix the hole, I could do that with this. I just think those are really pretty. And then it came with these 4 filing tools. So in theory, I could take, where did I put it? I could take, oh, here's some more that I considered not to be a fail. Sorry, I thought I showed you all these. So these circles worked out nice. There's just glitter in there. That's a square where the color is really awful. These are the angel wings. Circles, which is funny. When I look at it through the light, it's the purple color that I want, but otherwise it's that ugly brown muddy color. So these all worked. These were my second, well, those were the first try, but some of these were my second try, and I was a lot more careful. So all of these worked. And the other thing is they are really, really tiny. I don't know what I would do with them. I have these perfect little circles, and I'm not sure what I would do with them and these tiny little diamonds. But I did find something to do with those little butterflies. So let me show you what I did with the little butterflies. Where am I going to put this? I love butterflies, and so even though those molds are tiny, I was going to make them work for me because I really like them, especially since I got them to work with the glitter, because I like them to be sparkly. So let me show you what I made. Here's my first one. I made this thank you card, and you can't see them very well in the video probably. But I drilled a hole and I used a jump ring. Oh, and this stuff also came with oh, I can't get it out of there. Came with these little eye pins. And I feel like there was something else in the bottom of there too, but I can't see it now. Oh, in gold and silver. Sorry. But the eye pins, I think, would be too big for these tiny little things. So this is clear resin and that blue glitter. And I thought it just made a nice little dangle on this card. It's kind of sparkly. It's kind of subtle because you don't see it very well, but you would see it better if where I hung it, it was on a dark color. Where I hung it, it's on a white background. And then I took 2 of the little butterflies and I added them to this card. Both of these butterflies have glitter in them. This one is just glitter, just the pink glitter. And this one is the blue ink with the blue glitter. And then I added a gem to the middle of them, and I thought these butterflies match this card very nicely. So that's my second project share for my Beebeecraft, my most recent Beebeecraft haul. I am obsessed with resin. I'm having lots of fun with it. I've been doing some other things I have other molds, other things I've been making that I'll show in a different video at a different time, but yeah, this is project share number 2, and these were project share number 1. So I will list all the links below for the Beebeecraft website, for their YouTube program, and for all the products that I received on this particular order. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.